Welcome to the show.
I like to go to the shop to buy bread. When you buy bread, you need to buy butter, eggs, jam.
But I feel information you can more
Exactly, Maria. When can I get here? No, but
Maraga is strictly business. The sort of phone is saying about to lean a man.
business is fair.
Business
I
is fair. Yeah, I want to go well.
Sorry. Mzomnyama ahlanganele. In 3 years to come, 4 years to come, Mtori Range, it will be big.
Welcome. We will have a more charity podcast. Le fele santse lona lela ha se le feto ke le fele le ngore re hatisa le mo yona e leng yona share this place nomoro la mhala e se fetoge e santse lona 081 488 9777 me ka letsetsa yona nomoro e fa le re batla o dira dithulaganyo gore batle go tla ka kwana gompieno re na le baopedi man young and coming artist, up and coming artist, kotsa ke di artist ba tla ipolela gore ke up and coming kotsa ke mme o tla ikutlwela le wena gore a mme talent teng kotsa ke batho ba leng ba fostela a ke mme fela ke batho ba fostela go batlile gore o pushe o fostela ke di belang nna ke le bantse pizza MJ ya MJ le pizza o mang.
We go by the name of Tim Pitori.
Tim Pitori. Yeah. Little leko kai le felo.
Nah, basically, I'd say we are from Hammaskral, but we come from different places.
Yeah.
Jagagamo, Timiten.
Alevan. Okay. Okay. Okay, Timitena.
Okay.
And then Wena.
DJ Young Master.
DJ Young Master.
Master Rasta.
Master Rasta. Like a Master Ace.
So, yeah, our team now, we are based, we are located in Hammaskral.
Hammaskral. Where about Hammaskral?
Hammaskral, Remo, New Year's Stress.
New Year's Stress. Okay. Ke mino mo thalong tseng yang which genre lengore la producer kgotsa lengore la open
About genre, we just do music.
Okay.
Yeah, like you go with the vibe.
Wow.
We go with the vibe. Well, like I got to studio, we feel like you should know today vibe that hip hop. We do hip hop. If piano, we do piano.
Okay. Bona lira music.
Yeah.
Okay. Did the musicians and the artists?
No, musicians.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So far, le tshwantse eng gompieno mmino le ngore le lo ka re o fara ona go ntseng yang.
So today since when come khokela tlhagisetsa ke re ntse go tswa vat.
Yeah.
Like re tshwere music o loreng it's just the new wave.
It's a new wave.
Yeah, it's new wave. Today, I was so easy, like, as I say, 2025 new music, new wave. Yeah, man, so that this stuff is cool. Like,
it's cool. All right, then, mo le ngore ka hetse le ka ile le na no ira music, just go with the flow.
Yes.
Okay. Vale ke sa tsaka go dija ke. Okay. Ben o tlile leng mo Hammaskral? Last year. Yeah.
And then Mita, Young Master.
Yeah.
Introduced me to a crew.
Yeah.
We started working together.
Music. Okay. Who is the DNA of this group? The DNA, I mean like the manager.
Yeah, the chef.
Yeah.
The chef.
Okay.
Young Master again,
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, then and then okay. Ke le resist we don't take off or anyone mo le na mo group ngona le this thing ya hore okay I can say he's welcome or ka kwala track and I feel okay guys this track is so and let's drop it. Anyone
More crew. We
Yeah.
work together.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah,
That's
if
a
it's
team.
an studio, like track a heru klella.
Yeah.
Probably over fit. Okay, this track e biana.
Yeah.
Hona le post like
Rabontana, yeah.
Crew
Yeah, okay,
It's sharp
good.
or I sharp.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
basically we work together. More track and by
Rabontana.
Straight.
With the flips and flops, okay. Mula ka dying mula ka.
Straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
mostly Young Master is behind production.
Yeah.
Producer, the master scanner, like
He edits videos, like
Yeah.
he's multi-talented.
Multi-
That's what I can say.
this guy.
This league.
Yeah.
What's para camp? All right. So by now, I will not take a while longer. Like time kayane kutle unyana hore ki type of music longer. So far, the viewers baka utor ba. Yeah. Okay, fine, sharp. Take a warning man.
So basically, so far I'm correlated mo media.
Yeah.
On al track rona o yung mga barge high show. High show.
I show. Okay, I show.
High show.
Actually,
As
all
ka
of us
let's together.
together.
Yeah.
Let's on tell music video last week got the full music video.
Yeah.
So the plans all pending from last year. So
Yeah.
basically no so official out.
Officially out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the track ngara to batalla niya na gacho.
Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear it. Irrigation, yeah.
The
Okay.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, high show.
Yeah.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Yeah. Are you ready?
And this is his first hip hop beat.
Yeah.
Mangena na makamera ni shoot. Asinyashisa ni shoot. Gene na majita masifika I shoot. Mangena na makamera ni shoot. Asinyashisa ni shoot. Gene na majita masifika I shoot.
Kenele masole how you Kenele shorties all of me like hey. All these ladies wanna call me babe. Flow like a hit, I'm about to let it get. Java jump in the stage, but over the net. Yes, I'm a hot man, I buy it, the switch a day, she got it, legal, Uber flows, very can a highway. Never feel to join it in a highway. So the master, Jagam pass a penny, join it like a rasta. Team preaching a lot of verses, running got a pasta. Let me have the basket, my toes in the selling. Can I pick up on a car to the heading? Let me get to the eye, I'm one for heading. 322, Chicha Chivi, Ushabelle. I'm a blue work, it's okay, I got talente. The buzzer I feel it, the one I got it, Tena verified, the one I got it,
I'm to my kitchen in busy play and I'm teaming in the Baba Chilisi. Was my love? Ngiphethe amaswidi ngisiboza my-scar Cover that gang, she's a time stay Mina mangivela batashile day It's really day, they know me like that Style as a dance, I'm on the right track It's a full thing, ain't giving They know me like, it's really that Sure, I'm on the right, sure Ain't no bang, ain't giving thanks They know me like that
Yake my show be yaka I show be ka team Pitori ya wa uka man baru fere diary ne talented talent so far ka uka ke a little bit of an element ya hip hop an element ya kwaito an element ya amapiano a beat yeah porque it's complicated the question is akilela ya ko radio station e nngwe khotsa mo le more le ka batla gore e fitlhele e play dipina tsa tshwana ka le tsona gonne a ke lebeletse le age le le mo yona gore le santse na le matsa
The interview basically,
yeah,
Hanchiri Bukako Maradela interview, by King Day,
yeah.
And I'm tolerating that interview the last time, Nar launch album,
okay,
so Narle Umaretela. Then we have another guy, also Shabareke. DJ Yellow Bow. He's a radio presenter. Radio in African Nation Radio.
Okay. Molungora kare hele krede play molungora recognition ita ba end. Like one talohan. So pushang diary one talohan. Usantse na di track tse pedi tse lengwe le ka di tshameka ke. So ka yona tsela eo as long as santse le batla go futumala mo again. Ke MJR. Yeah.
It's Timmy Turner from 016 in Team Pitur. Get here.
Hey yo, it's a boy Kuka PTA Kamargamba Team Pitur. You know who it is from Guru.
Check Max 012. It's a boy DJ Young Master. I want to get new master.
Yo, this is the Ghost, the one and only.
EAZIDAWG, one of your favorite podcast, charity podcast, Rowena Kawena. Yeah, welcome back, and we're still chilling with this little dude. Should I say little dude or this youngsters? Yeah, Majita Pitor Kotsa, Tim Pitori, 012, I get a code. Hey, what I get so fast, it's a good no hope or now, some kind of a pattern if you got a type of music or one to one, but so far, I would thought, hey, Bona, ha. VC wa go like one show ba vela show guys, since you will come on ka mentally le thusa nyana tsukitsana ke se re ka offerang sona kwa bona so I love you that tshela ja da le kwa bona so hona nngwe le ka ntsamkela track e feng bo ngore ba ratile ba latedi ba yona charity podcast ba ka e rata
track re tshameka no e ke talento
upcoming you face some challenges whereby loser studio sa rona and then like we had to go to Marikana and a bit far but you have like really a couple of days. Yeah. After we recorded it,
alright. Lento king lento
like talento buti is like you make a play then you ta sokola ko pe okay and benong nar talento mara ma filo re so iphahla ina bungozi mara rena ro inserfi wena ina bungozi rena ra itsura wa ba khono intsi ra wi se ro itsi ya marathina must figure so iphahla uthi kanjani sasi marathina
manje ke ithisele nikele nto talento
Check Max 012. Arakatela Selo. Shout out to the industry.
Shout out to you too.
Shout out to the upcomings.
Talento, aina bongos, fana netos, bisu matos, udala netos, inabo tontos, atontos, brogolo tontos, egas lambang bisu mancos, ang sangkingang hama na malos, mga chikichela baya kala na papans, peles kupus yung pasas, sino mas pigas, yung palas, Talento, aina bongos, fana netos, bisu matos, udala netos, inabo tontos, atontos, brogolo tontos, egas lambang bisu mancos, ang sangkingang hama na malos, mga chikichela baya kala na papans, peles kupus yung pasas, sino mas pigas, yung palas, soy palas.
Yeah, man.
Sibila mabuzumel hari agatsaba kasi pisalite. Super kahuni we. Ay. Asanga kasabela bibili, dilo der chencha mutilo bibili. Abizuri na chencha, liga mari harabisa loko venda. Funguruka, yaga sambole mandela na mfuta. Masupa rabashuta, lota isupa, masupa rabashuta. Ay talento. So this time I'm keeping it true. I hang with the shorties and only my crew.
and only my crew. Plapa of drum, no chana salukoti. Skupuri machava seke trapale majosi. Tatalento wana hena bungozi. Tatalento wana hena bungozi. Nichitala wana man, uya wana man. Mao peti mali bag bizuma duman. Nichitala wana man, uya wana man. Mao peti mali bag bizuma duman. Sila leita leke bafanta kadinan. Nichila wana la la pesa fan. Hopela di bebele hopali le bombali. Chana asara panu sele personali. Pesa takari basi bali criticali. Solo masta luce na pea chemicali. Avalati.
Yeah, ne?
Tatalento, aina bungos, panna netos, bisu mantos, nala netos, nabo tontos, atontos, progologo tontos, ekas lambang bisu mancos, ang nangkinang nama nama dos, dona jigijela baya kala na pants, veneles kupus so patas, sinamas figas, sway palas, tatalento, sway palas.
This time I'm keeping it true. I hang with the shorties and only my crew, and only my crew. Lepalo gram no chana salukoti. Skupuri machava seke trapale majosi. Tatalento when I had a bungozi. Tatalento when I had a bungozi. Get your dollar when I'm on. We are when I'm on. Oh, petty money bug, bizuma do mine. Get your dollar when I'm on. We are when I'm on. Oh, petty money bug, bizuma do mine. Sila glade dali give a fanta gadinan. Get your spot and a lot of pesa fan. Hopela di bebele kofali le bombali. Chana asara panu sele personali. Bese takai basi bali criticali. Sodo masta nuche na pea chemicali. Armala.
Ya boy.
Yeah. Tatalento, but tatalento. Sena limpinga na lento. So any bookings o ka sia nomoro tsa tsa mohala fa le hore o rata hore baka di tsona di bookings baka le book out le khona perform khotsa
About bookings, you can get us on any social media, especially Facebook. Yeah, we got Facebook page, search Team Pitori. Everything is there on a bar, your cell phone number, or you can just save our number 072 913 6312.
6312. So that number again?
Okay, 072 913 6312.
All right. Then mo dong ore felo rato ka dira tsona di bookings o ka ba letsa mohala me o khono ka golagana le bona me khono mo sa sele le sela ka ba bona o khono bona talente is the energy ke khatha ke energy nge talent ina bongo ake yeah so far a master or a master rasta ke master rasta ke master rasta anyway ka ne ke lebeletsa ona motho anang le 30 years.
Yes, yeah.
And then personally, going strong. So, I'll not tell her anyone when I be solo artist when I go in say, oh, that's a topic for another day. Because I'm going to group simulate in the okay, decide the whole. And solo artist. It doesn't mean what Hasara Taku. So, he all look business minded. He would Azama grew. Someone tell something like that. It's a demand play pillows at Capilla. We have solo project of everything. So, same place, and I get same place. DJ Timmy, DJ Young Master. All right, because everything has to be young. One so anyway, viewers, but when we can Lily, so Babata who did this thing music. Okay, so but I think about fit so far come good. I see about fit to go null fit only already settled naldi the track the funya and naldi videos and but I'm going to feel like what only this passion ya hora kaba artist. What's your weight towards them but to push in
like for starter, it doesn't mean you have to go all out. It's like you have to go step by step.
Yeah,
be patient. You have to like invest
straight.
Like mostly like Monagonia no, so like people watch how investing
how investing time or money or
like you have to anything
that is
to start your
straight,
art.
yeah.
Like you have a dope voice.
Yeah.
You just need a dope producer to master you
Straight.
and
Yeah.
get a great beat. So that person has to do without any interest or
Yes, yeah, because if I get SDC, he muthalwala doctor I'm latel ko point one. So any particular track engwe ya bofelo ya ofisa mo leng gore ika idea
mabane jaga na South Africa studio.
Yeah.
We had to recommend new wave but like catch up. There is a track, it's for the music industry.
Yeah.
It's a new track.
Yeah.
Yeah, all of them you can name them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I get it. Maybe what I read, it's a new wave. I live media, so I'm it's coming. I hate the Chaga Sora. It's just a simple.
Yeah.
Tasty fair.
Yeah.
Just the taste, you know. I ain't got to. It's refresh.
Guys, then Saturday later,
Okay. Hey, but this new artist, man.
Yeah.
But I get tired.
Yeah.
Tired. The producer, tired. Zagale na I do. Yeah, like I never
I'm not no job of pain, man. I'm not no job of pain, man. I'm going to Zulu Parliament. I'm going to Zulu Parliament. I was going to Zulu Parliament. I was going to Zulu Parliament. Zulu Jaivana Bantwana, man. Zulu Jaivana Bantwana, man. I'm not no job of pain, man. I'm not no job of Parliament. I'm going to Zulu Parliament. I can't get it. I was going to Zulu Parliament. Abasali baya kalamat. Zulu Jaivana Bantwana, man. Bayo Gangana Bafana, man. I was go to Zulu Parliament. I was go to Zulu Parliament. Zulu Jaivana Bantwana, man. Bayo Gangana Bafana, man. I'm not no Tabo Pili, man. I'm not no Tabo Pili, man. I go to Zulu Parliament. I go to Zulu Parliament. I was go to Zulu Parliament. I was go to Zulu Parliament. Zulu Jaivana Bantwana, man. Zulu Jaivana Bantwana, man. I'm not no Tabo Pili, man. I'm not no Tabo Pili, man. I'm not no Tabo Pili, man. I've got to Zulu Parliament. I've go to Zulu Parliament. I was go to Zulu Parliament. I was go to Zulu Parliament. I was go to Zulu Parliament. I'm not no Tabo Pili, man. I'm not no Tabo Pili, man. I go to Zulu Parliament. I go to Zulu Parliament. I was go to Zulu Parliament. Abasali baya kalamat. Zulu Jaivana Bantwana, man.
Baru menato wale fatso fe. Any men no to fala, man. To fala, man. Fatso fe. Any men no to fala, man. Fatso fe. Yeah, way. Baru menato wale fatso fe, man. I go to Zulu Parliament.
I was go to Zulu Parliament. Abasali baya kalamat. Zulu Jaivana Bantwana, man. Bayo Gangana Bafana, man. I'm not no Tabo
Shout out to me, 012.
Team Pitori.
I was go to Zulu Parliament.
So yeah, this is our last track. It's a upcoming project. We haven't mastered it yet.
So far,
we haven't done it.
But get out. Kuna
Baru mnando mhlaba uphili mara la majita la ayo azoluphala batlotofala nari nyoko bina le bona esale no
It's like no. Alright, go to tribute.
Yeah, get tribute.
Okay.
It's a message that style se sengwe ya yona.
Yeah.
Ke o bidisa mara ya bolela.
Ya bolela ke.
Are ha ne batsodi ba mara. These guys ba
yeah
ba godimo. Ke bona ba re swantse ba ile re pull up le re.
Okay.
So swantse re nna connected to bona before.
Okay, but so far
na re khona sa re bina le ba.
Okay. And then so far ho lena ile so far bana ba le
bona
chain ya ibe chain
it's a mega like
and then this song na le mata so far ga utla le lona re to hita
yeah if it ile mola
le mata ke le bomba so since you started music from way back then, is there any growth from that time up until now? Like changes, or maybe something the same thing?
There's too much changes. The changes it's about
like to compare the gold to meeting good.
I know dangerous.
I get and then I gotta say be successful overnight.
Straight, yeah.
Straight,
push, yeah.
Push.
And patient with Osalwela ho tsena ka pele like industry ke teng like sanso ho bala like with the experience lo tse baya before tsena ka mahala o ye bona re
one track
yeah so far challenges la di hlaya ga itso and that prepare
straight
every challenge there's a big thing coming
every challenge every big step ko pele
ke and then tell colleague ele ka tsa GOD la me ko pele so for now ka he setse na go nke me ka fa phefong ne ka tilo itse nka nna 3 days ke tsena le so o ka sala pisa the viewers quota any message ele go ka o sia mo the viewers concerning music wa or concerning ele go maybe are something se lengwe se ba ka ba fa matla something positive se lo ska ba fa matla the viewers maybe the up and coming ba lengwe ka ba banyane mo wena ba lengwe le the same age and so forth and so on. So what can you say to them?
Like with the nanga ba botsoro like ba wana mo musicing you have to be patient.
Okay.
You have to and respect to like obletsana le batho collaborate with people sa ba le pelo ele ya hore o wamphala like eba patient tsena motho o bolelle no re ntuse mo le mole
mo sa khoneng
one thalanya because like I wanna more young without perikisa and communication the respect the modi so if you push music you will respect or at the difference how kore over often tailoring why spanel one thalanya butia so matao go na loring le rena butia go re fitlhe mo like azangara give up like anale almost 6 years push so only today we are still the same so
so DJ Master
nan take it all tsanya na gore di teng di artist tse tu na no ngaba mention a montsaro motho. The thing is nan tengwa re khawata ene are bontshane ba gare wa rona re greba ba pepero like a person music yo monate but or I won't say I'll distribute I feel like no, I'm the best. So why should I give them music? Okaramuto like music I Kisakar hit. Hit. Maror no, I get stop again like no so like muna going no so deal is unlike before. Bele not to printed disc so no so na di TikTok and stuff. Uno nyaga app ono tsapina ya 30 seconds te wa fa ba one twara ba utlwa lorne lwana o teng bara e seng o be teng mengwaga but o repeat the process o ira dipina but audience keepa mo wena wa keepa mo wena so lwana progress o ka se bo o ka se itse re bo mang ba ratang music
and o batla blow after 30 years
we bona ka 60 energy lo ya mo staging gone so a re faneng music
Ngifana ka music awuhle music
okay and cause re tlhoka batho le rona le vibe ne man ke sure ha re ka tsa contribution ra collaborate motho mo re tlhakantsha have a more vibe so era motho imagine ra itse re motho mostly una nthonge experience like the artist tse dingwe tse di best ne mara when it comes to promotion that person who lays unyongo yena ntla ya studio ng aira music fela when it comes to tshwantse re shoot stuff go tsara 951 2 3
wale mabaka ha
bona
le excuse wa
le modi o kre sometimes re tlhogora to participate o event that person so o kre lo re mo pineng e blank ena tlhantsa tshwere chorus o khawataro that trigger defense that person ena pull up always mara when it comes to studio that person wa tsalla last minute o tsena mo tracking na beat
okay mo to studio ase mo to le ona le stage fright so Timmy
I tlo botsa gore ba spanning collaboration over competition go ga ke ga collaborate re powerful re go fair matla go kopane instead of competition when competition ha ona mo tlogisa next and then there's this thing ya how record a track as in hip hop artist like Olisa verse I record your verse omunye na onya ko phala verse it's competition you competition so like music ain't about that the music go balance pina haile mna the both verses dile sharp mtsongolo ngwe tswela pina that's what me and my brothers are doing
so let's hope next time hele tamo le tabele ntlela le tse pila tse leng gore di feta tse akere so each and every time hele ntse le tsitso charity podcast ete you're welcome ho le tshware ka call bro ke na le mang o batlo utara ke na le mang o pusha business so kon le no ka bona this is a brand team pito so we find out mali motho mo busy o ira o le ngoro busy o pusha this thing le na brand label ya thai le clothing label so if everything atle mo tlo bona ro okay fine sharp o fise le tsabang tsante no thomile kae wa ntalo kae because do tsaba na ba ka a re for instance ke t-shirt ke t-shirt a re ke yesterday se sokola or something like that scopa se o ntalo so mosimane wa ntlhamotsonga wa khatla go dira ba khatla a re rata o ratiwe ka sona style se o kere save
it's Timmy Turner from 016 in Team Pitur get
Hey yo, it's a boy Kuka PTA Kamargamba Team Pitori, you know who it is from Guru.
Check Max 012, it's a boy DJ Young Master. I want to get no master.
Yo, this is the Ghost, the one and only.
EAZIDAWG on your favorite podcast, charity podcast, Rewena Kawena.